This evening in Primetime News, Senate approves bill to make Portmore the 15th parish.
Jamaica Fire Brigade Board under scrutiny after unqualified candidate appointed to act in top HR job.
And NIA calls on Jamaicans to get involved in conversations about constitutional reform. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers in TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. A little later on, we'll have the financial week.
Now with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. There were some good performances from national junior representatives on the opening day of the Carifta Trials at GC Foster College. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, a cold front just entered the western portion of the Caribbean, and we are expecting it to be very close to the island of Jamaica as we move into Monday. But we still have isolated afternoon showers forecast for much of the afternoons from now through to about Wednesday.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, how do you ensure the good health of your teeth?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.